First, you need to change the password when you get inside the page. This is the main dashboard. We scroll down to see all the dialogues to be annotated, but we can see that this annotation button is deactivated. So we need to scroll up, go to the My Profile section in order to insert some personal information. As soon as this personal information is done, we go to the main dashboard, scroll back down, and we can see that this annotation button is now active.
Okay, so now let us continue, go to the annotation part using this dialog. So here, by default, we can see two outputs from the model. Or we could choose the second output or the first output. This is left to the discretion of the annotator. Here we can see a speech and we can play it.
Hey Siri.
We could also be adding regions to it. And here is the transcripted version of this. So what we're supposed to do is to match this with this text to see if there's any discrepancies. Okay, let's do it.
Got any fun holiday activity suggestions? I want to do something different this year.
So one discrepancy that came to my mind was that the speech said I want to do, but it's transcribed as I want to do. Okay, so I highlighted it. Okay, we add region. So where's our pane? Our pane is here. Let's find the exact precise moment that it had problems.
Hey Siri. Got any fun holiday activity suggestions? I want to do some.
Okay, so we're lucky. I want to do. Okay, I want to do. Okay, so this part is done. Now we scroll down to the annotation part from the ASR. So was it accurate? I would say, although it had a problem, but it was minor. Was it intelligible? I can say yes, it was fully intelligible. There was a critical word or mistake. It wasn't critical, okay? So it wasn't any important word. So I would say no. But here's the fun part. We've designed the platforms in a way that you highlight here, and this box gets filled in automatically. So now we're done with the ASR transcription annotation part. Now it's time to move forward to the TTS. Let's do the uh, annotation of the TTS part. Here, just like above, we have a text and we have a speech, and we need to be comparing them.
How about a virtual reality escape room or a DIY holiday light decorating contest? Both are unique and can be lots of fun.
Okay, so I didn't see any mismatch, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume escape room had a problem. I highlight it. It asks me whether of these categories does it belong to. We assume it's pronunciation and clarity. We add the region, okay, and we zoom into it. The other problem is, okay, decorating contest. It was word accuracy. We also categorize it, and that's it. We then move downwards to the annotation part. So the annotation part of the TTS. So was it high pitched? I should add this explanation that a high pitched sound is usually the sound of a whistle or the sound that's resembling the sound of a woman. So and a low pitched sound is like the sound of a bass guitar or drums. This was quite high pitched, not totally, not completely, but a bit, I would say. The intensity, how much volume did it have? I would say it wasn't too much highly volumed, but it wasn't really soft either. So I would also give it a 5. Was it natural? So for this question, I would ask myself, if I had this voice outside, would I have recognized that it's synthetically generated by AI? No, no, completely not, because it was something I expected. So it was natural. To me, it was natural. Did it have any emotions? So for emotions, I would judge if it had enough intonations, if it had ups and downs. So, okay, so from the intonation part, I would say yes, it was expressive enough. Okay, I give it a 4, and it was well expressive. Did it have any pronunciation clarity problem? Obviously, it had because we highlighted it above and we categorized it here. It was also filled in automatically. So, are all the words pronounced correctly and clearly? I would say no. The timing, was it too fast or too slow? I would say it was just right. It was just right. Did it have any word accuracy problems? Just like the above, it was categorized by itself. So, does the speaker include all and only the words? Okay, no, obviously not. Let's assume that some words were omitted. Uh, the decision overall I would have about this is that it was a positive output from the model, and out of 5, it was 4, good enough. So as soon as we finish this, these parts, all of these parts, we can go ahead and submit it by pressing this button.